Shah's blessings upon you. I think I know what you mean. There's an undeniable rapport, and yet we haven't made time for each other. Time alone. Easily remedied, if you like. I know a place. Not just yet. Let's choose our moment. Some quiet night, when the others are asleep and there's no distractions, I'll come for you. Lady of Sorrows, guide us. Did you want something?
Moving ahead.
And you was ready to let them have us.
Don't blame me for your idiotic mistakes.
I blame you for locking us out, leaving us to die.
There are children here, you fool!
We was running for our lives.
You led them straight to us, and you let them take the druid too? Unbelievable!
And who the hell are you again?
Show some respect. This woman saved your pathetic life.
Well, I didn't ask for any goddamn help.
Please, you were begging me to open the gate. Anything to save yourself, you coward!
The human's eye twitches. He's about to blow. The human's eye twitches. He's about to blow.
That's that, I suppose. The goblins have found us. No doubt the beasts will be back. We need to pack up and leave. Immediately!
Worse. Now that that's settled,
For
we can get
once.
to finding a healer. What path lies before me?
The human's eye twitches. He's about to blow.
You're right. There's too much at stake.
Worried about your precious hides, the both of you.
Enough! Squabbling is pointless. The goblins have found us.
At least we agree on that.
Goblins could arrive at any moment. Lovely.
I'm more worried about this parasite than a few goblins. We need a healer. Moving in.
That was close. Far, far too close.
Still breathing, despite everything.
He never let it show, but he was homesick too. He didn't deserve this.
I need a quick word.
Not now. Please.
Have some respect. This really isn't the time to talk.
Glad you made it inside. Doubt we'll be safe here for long, though. There'll be more coming. Goblins hunt in packs. A few goblins. Felt like a lot more to me. So yes, I'm scared. And I'm not ashamed of that.
Being watched. We could say a prayer. We should have time for that.
Yeah. Yeah. That would be good.
On my way.
Our Lady of Sub. Please. May he rest by your side.
I've got a long road ahead. Very well.